So, today I'm going to tell you a story of how we helped the CEO win back his smile. Spoiler alert, feedback played a crucial role, but that's all I'm going to tell you right now. Mr. Browse was a worried CEO, and the reason for his worries were the employees. His best employees were leaving his company, their work and company goals were not aligned at all. His employees did not seem to be enjoying their work and were very disinterested. Their performance was going down and the company results suffered. Mr. Browse needed help. That's when Grosam came to the rescue. Grosam found out that 43% of the employees planned to switch jobs in 2015. The main reason for discontentment was not wages or benefits or working hours, but the boss. A staggering 53% said that employee reviews did not motivate them to work harder at all. And 21% of employees found reviews to be demeaning. Mr. Browse had stopped listening to all his superhero employees. But Grosam gave a ray of hope. It pointed to a possible way ahead: feedback. Employees need feedback, and that to real time. Grosam pointed out from his analysis that 71% of employees said that they need feedback now. They believe that instant feedback is vital to check their progress and take necessary action. Annual reviews were too disconnected, sometimes a yearly affair. This was not fair enough to measure and help them improve their daily work. So the secret key to Mr. Brow's problems was feedback, the way forward to his employees' motivation, performance, and growth. Mr. Brow said, okay, I agree on the importance of feedback, but tell me how and what feedback. Grosam recommended some best practices for feedback. For feedback to be most effective, it has to be well timed, relevant, and immediate. Reviewers should not only be from within the company, like the seniors, juniors, and peers, but should also involve external customers, partners, and vendors. The best feedback is specific and personalized to the individual. Again, feedback is most effective if it is related to an individual's work goal. Essentially, as work is ongoing, so should be feedback. The more frequent feedback is, the better impact it makes. The best part, Grosam helps you do all this and many more, easily, simply, and swiftly, while keeping the process flexible and transparent. After all, we help you run high performance organizations. Now let's look at some of the key features that we provide. With instant feedback, you can give or get feedback from anyone, anytime in an organization. Get feedback about others too, and control who can view it. Tag feedback to performance goals. Share the feedback that you've received to others, be it managers or peers. With 360 reviews, you can seek feedback from internal, that is, seniors, juniors, and peers, but also from external customers, vendors, and partners. You can let employees choose their 360 reviewers. You can set forms by employee and reviewer profile. And finally, set rules for scoring 360-degree feedback and combining with a performance review to get an overall rating for employees. We also help you build a one-stop repository for all your feedback and recommendations. You can import your email feedback and automatically source LinkedIn recommendations. Again, tag these to your performance goals and make available at the time of reviews, such that you don't have to hassle around to gather feedback, take a printouts of them, and attach them to a review form. Grosam does it for you automatically. Finally, our advanced analytics allows you to drill feedback data deep, identify trends and patterns for aspects of performance and development, sentiment analysis of feedback, key phrase extraction and word clouds, comparative analytics between employees, departments, etc., supported with insightful dashboards and downloadable reports. The best part is that a culture of feedback allows everyone to share their opinions with you too, without being hesitant. So, Mr. Browse, this will help you be connected to the pulse of your employee always. Now let's go back to the future. Mr. Browse implemented our feedback tool, and the domino effect is that employees are now happy, engaged, and have lit up to their potential. That's Mr. Browse, all relaxed and running a steady ship. After all, he has Grosam as his performance partner. So, if you liked what you saw, want to see our feedback in action, need to know the true identity of this guy, or just generally want to have a chat with us, visit www.grosum.com. That is grosum.com. We are waiting for you. Come soon.